Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Andrea, and today I wanted to do a tutorial on Zendaya's beautiful brown smoky eye look from the Oscars. So if you like this look that I am obsessed with, yeah, keep watching if you want to learn how to do this look, and we shall jump right into the video. Face. I'm going to take this by ColourPop Dream Street palette. Go with this color and kind of start. Color right here, and I want to use a Beverly Hills kit and going with this dark. Not quite. In between the two, we are going to connect it to the bottom, but believe it or not, just the other eye, taking a clean fluffy brush and kind of blending that top part in. And on top of these lids I kind of left bare, and I'm going to take the Laura Mercier, this is the Face Illuminator in Seduction, and it's like a nice glowy bronze color like this, and I'm actually going to spray this Morphe brush. Dip it in there and kind of glide it over the center of the lid. So I've already primed, and I used the L'Oreal Lumi Matte, Lumi Match in the rose gold one, and just wiped off some of the fallout from the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty, which I've actually used in my other review, and I'm color 310. So I'm going to start with a little bit of that. Let's put that on. This one starts out light, but it tends to change color and get a little darker as it dries down. Oh, my nose. Hello. Can't forget my nose. For concealer, I'm using the RMS Beauty. I just picked this up at Free People, believe it or not. It's an organic line, and I am loving this so far. I haven't tried any of their other stuff, but yeah, I definitely want to try some more things out soon. This one is color 44 in the Uncover Up, and I'm just going to dab under my eyes. The thing with red carpet looks, I've heard, is you have to be careful with not putting too much makeup on, because it will you'll see it caked on in the photos, because everything is so high res, and they're not, you know, retouched. Although, you know, if you go online and you see pictures from the red carpet, they're usually not retouched. So I'm trying not to go too heavy-handed. So that would be I'm using the darker shade in the KKW Beauty, color 1. I'm just going to lightly go in. Stay! My hairline, I think that's pretty even. I'm going to take this brush, blending brush. I think this is Happen-esque. Just works a little better for cheek contour. Zendaya's contour is like so chiseled. So I'll start a little bit with this one, and then I will go to the powder. I'm just using this cream blush by e.l.f. It's a peachy color. It's cream to powder. So I'm putting that on before I set my face with powder all over. Just going to keep them getting all crinkly. Now I'm going to go back over with some powder bronzer. So I like my angle Morphe one because it's a little smaller and it's easier to get those like angles. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia contour kit again. I'm going to use a mix of this one and this one. Here. Focusing the dark towards there. And a lot of times once I go in to like do my streaks, I go back in with the clean brush or the one I just had the translucent powder on it and just kind of blend it out again. And then a very, very light blush. It looks like she doesn't have much on in her picture. I'm going in with this palette I just got, Revolution Makeup. And it's their Ultra Blush palette. And this is like kind of the darker ones that I think would look nice. You know, I'm actually going to take my fluffy Morphe brush. This is really good for highlighting, but when you need like a small area for blush, it's nice. It covers just a small space. So that one side looks so good and the other one is not the same. I believe she has her under her waterline is lined a bit. I'm going to take this Smoke and Shine by Rimmel in Copper Bling. It's just like a kind of like a burgundy metallic. We're going to go and fill it in here. And I'm going to smudge that out a little bit. Underneath that liner, I'm going to use this color in my contour palette. And just a little bit of powder contour, actually using the same palette. This color actually. Taking the e.l.f. Let's see, Molten Liquid Eyeshadow. It's this like goldish champagne. It kind of dries down matte too, which I really like. And I'm going to kind of plop that right here. I'm going back in with this highlight. For that, I'm using my Broken Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick. That's what it is, right? Yeah, Bronze and Glow. Just kind of get up here. It's like a very pale copper glow. From my brow bone, I'm just gonna put it a little tiny bit. I'm gonna do my brows off screen, but I'm basically just using a little pomade by NYX, which is this one, with a flat angled brush here, and fill it in with some of the Gimme Brow. I couldn't really tell if there was any liner, but I am just gonna add a little bit of the liner that we put on the bottom on the top and smudge it a little before we do false lashes. And I'm gonna put falsies on. I just got these at Forever 21. They were like $2 or $3. I'm not familiar with their line, so hopefully they're not too stiff, but we're gonna try them out. So I put my lashes on, and I just use a little bit of this Lash Domination by Bare Minerals to kind of blend my lashes and the false ones together. And I'm trying to keep these little baby hairs down, back, and then they stick out, and I look like, I don't know, or down, so I don't know what to do at this point. I'm just gonna leave them down. So by looking at the picture, it looks like she has a very sheer gloss, like you can see her actual lip color through. So I'm just gonna find a really sheer gloss and try to create the same thing. Soap and Glory had these little 3 packs of glosses over the holidays. The Mother Pucker ones, they're a little plumping. So I have this one here. It's like very, very light pink, but it is sheer. It does tingle though, so watch out. And to finish, a little setting spray using the Motives 10 Years Younger. I was so obsessed with this look. I was looking for someone's look that stood out to me that would be really fun to create, and a lot of them were kind of natural, and this one is because it's It's using the browns and natural colors, but it just had something a little more exciting to me that I just absolutely fell in love with. Let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite look from the Oscars this year? Yeah, let me know in the comments, and any other kind of videos that you would like me to do. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking the button down below, and I guess I will see you next time. Alright, bye!